Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficial and the most merciful. Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well and I am also well, Alhamdulillah. Students, we can't start our assembly with the name of Allah Almighty. So for recitation, I would like to call Shanzir Irfan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Sadaqallahu lazim.
Jazakallahu khair. Students, the topic that today in this assembly I am sharing with you is coronavirus. It is a very dangerous virus. We have to prevent corona. We have to dua from Allah that He ends this virus and opened everything. Opened lockdown, our knowledge centers, including schools, including grocery stores, including everything, including the whole world. Students, my first question and important question is, are you taking it serious and taking care of yourselves? Give me your answer. But my thinking is, yes, it is a very dangerous virus. We have to take care of ourselves. We have to wash our hands, wear masks and gloves, take bath twice a day, change clothes daily. The symptoms of coronavirus are: most common symptoms are fever, fatigue, dry cough. Some patients may also have aches and pain, runny nose, sore throat, shortness of breath, and diarrhea. But to prevent these symptoms, we have to wash hands daily, cough our mouth whenever we sneeze, wear a mask whenever we go outside. COVID-19. Wash your hands, avoid touching your face, clean surface. Be informed, be prepared, be smart, be safe. Students, so don't take it serious to prevent corona. Follow these 8 instructions must. Inshallah, you will be safe. Stay home, stay safe, prevent corona. Stay home, stay safe. Hope students you will like my assembly. So students, please take it serious. Take this virus serious. To prevent corona, follow the instructions. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Wear a mask. Wear gloves. Take bath twice a day. Change clothes every day. Daily. Avoid gatherings. Don't go outdoor useless. Clear your house and surfaces daily and in a day many times. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Protect yourself from coronavirus. The whole world is in coronavirus. But with this virus, do your schoolwork wisely, increase your knowledge. Have a nice day. Stay home, save lives. Thank you so much, students. Allah Ta'ala hum sabka हामी नाज़िर. Thank you so much. Jazakallahu khair. महफूज और सेहतमंद पाकिस्तान. Take care of yourself.